Hi there. So today we are going to see how to purchase any product on the rarecomponents.com website. So this is the interface that we see. So whatever products you want to purchase, just go to that product. For example, this is one product. So I'll just open this product and add that product to your shopping cart using this button, right? So in some of the products there is a minimum order quantity that you have to order, because these are very small components. So we do not sell individual components and they come as a set. So at least 10 pieces you have to order. So you cannot add less than 10 quantity for this product, but it is not there for most of our products. So you just have to add it to cart. I already have a few other products into my shopping cart. Once you have all the products that you want to order, you can preview your shopping cart by going into the shopping cart option. The shopping cart option is here also. So from here also you can go to shopping cart, or you can just go from this drop down and click on view cart button, right? So after this you will be able to preview your shopping cart. You can add, you can modify the quantity like this, or you can delete any of the products, right? So if you want to delete, you can remove any of the products from a shopping cart. Once you finalize the shopping cart, you have to click on the checkout button here, which is highlighted. Then you have, if you are already logged in, it will directly go to step 2, that is the billing details. If you are not logged in, then you have to first log in into your account using the username and password. Username is usually the email ID and the password that you have selected at the time of checkout. Then if you like, at the time of registration, we will be asking a default address that will be associated to your account. And if you want to change the address of billing, you can use this option of I want to use a new address, right? So you have to just fill up your details, company name, whatever is there. And if you are a business, if you are purchasing the if you purchase components for business purposes, then you have to enter your GST in also, if it is applicable, so that we will provide you an invoice which will have your GST number on it, and you will be able to claim the credit of input tax. You will be able to take the input tax credit for the IGST, CGST, or SGST that you pay on our website, right? So you have to enter your 15 character GSTN. Please make sure that you enter your 15 character GSTN and not uh, do not write anything else other than the 15 character GSTN, because this is an automated system, and this GSTN, whatever you enter here, that will be reported in our accounting system. So make sure you put in correct details, 15 character GSTN, right? So some address you have to provide, whatever is your GST address, whatever is written on your GST registration certificate. Okay, then press continue button, and the delivery address could be same or it could be different. So you can choose any of it, but make sure in the billing address you choose the correct address with your associated GSTN, right? Okay, then you have to choose the shipping options. Usually the DTDC option is a faster option, but it will cost a little bit more. And we have a cheaper option with the usual e-commerce delivery partners, but they take, sometimes they take longer times. But okay, but depending on the urgency of your order, but DTDC also will take at least 3 to 4 days. But in case of delivery, e-cart and e-com express, it may take up to 7 to 10 days. It also depends on the location. You can also insert any of the instructions that you want to communicate to the order processing system. So if you have any special instructions, if you want any special kind of packaging or anything else, or any other comments that you want to make regarding your order, anything related to the address, or any further contact information, any landmark or anything, you can provide it here, right? And then you can choose the payment method. We have two payment options. Either you can pay online using all the different cards, credit card, debit card, different type of wallets, Paytm, and UPI using GPay, PhonePe, Bheem, and all kind of UPI apps, or using net banking. So this is one option which is recommended. We will recommend UPI for better success rate and faster refunds in case of order cancellation. So it is better always to choose UPI as your payment option, right? Then we have bank transfer methods in some of the cases where the customer is not able to pay online because of some company reasons or some company policy. Then they can opt for bank transfer. In case of bank transfer, we automatically you will receive our bank details, and once we receive the amount in our bank account, then only your order will be processed. So this bank transfer method is little bit longer. It takes more time to process order using bank transfer method. It is always better to go for the UPI payment. Then you have to click on I have read and agree to the terms and conditions, then click on the continue button, and then finally you review your order, whatever are the items, what is the uh, total value of your order before GST. This is the shipping amount before GST, and this is the total GST that you are going to pay, right? So this amount is including GST, but this amount is before GST. Then you click on proceed to payment, and a payment window will appear. Here you can scan this QR code from any of your UPI apps to pay for your order. Once you do that, your order will be confirmed. You will receive an email on your registered email ID with your order details. And once your order is dispatched, so I will not place an order here. Once your order is dispatched, you can just go to track order link here and enter your order ID to track your order. You will also receive an email with your tracking with the tracking details of your order, right? So I hope it was helpful for you. By means of this video, you will be able to understand the order processing system on our website. Have a good day. Thank you.